Boys, in English, yesterday we have started our lesson 5 of Unit 7. The name of this lesson is Traveling Around. In this lesson, we have discussed some of the vehicles that are hydrofoil and underground train. Hydrofoil is a water vehicle and it is fast and bumpy, whereas underground train is a land vehicle and it goes underground and it moves in underground. It can be fast or slow. It moves within the city. Then we have discussed some other vehicles, the vehicles that go up and down, that are lift and cable cars. Cable cars move up and down in a mountain. Cable cars go slowly. So both of these vehicles, they move slowly. Then we have discussed vehicles have different numbers of wheels. Vehicles according to the number of wheels. Bicycle that has two wheels, tricycle that has three wheels, unicycle that has one wheel. Then we have discussed a medical wheelchair and a sports wheelchair. In the medical wheelchair used in hospitals for patients, they have four wheels, two big wheels at the back and two small wheels in the front. Then we have discussed some wheelchairs that are used for sport purposes and they have three wheels. Okay, now today we are going to discuss the vehicles that are used for fun. Used for fun. Sometimes we travel just for fun. When we go on a picnic or on holidays, we use such vehicles. These vehicles are used for amusement, for fun, and to relax ourselves. First of all, we have a skateboard. This is a red skateboard. You can ride on a skateboard in the park. You can jump over things. If you have skateboard, and if you know it well how to move the skateboard, you can drive it anywhere in the parks, in the lobbies, on the streets, anywhere. Okay? And you can jump over things. You can jump over things with the help of skateboard. Then we have skis. These people are on skis. With skis, you can go down a mountain very fast. Skis are basically used where there are too much of cold or snow, ice. It moves on ice. Okay. People use it to amuse themselves. They go down from the mountains using skis. Okay, after that we have Zorb. This is a Zorb. In a Zorb, you can roll down a hill very fast. You can't stop. Okay, when you're sitting in a Zorb, it is like a balloon made of and air is filled inside and it moves from the mountains. It goes down very fastly. And if you fall down inside, you are not hurt because it is like a balloon shaped. It is like a balloon shape. That's why if you fall inside, you are not going to get hurt. You are not going to get hurt. Okay. Make a chart. Look again at the vehicles in the text. Which ones are powered by a motor? which ones are powered by people. You can think of any vehicles to add. People powered vehicles, and we have motor powered vehicles, like those that we move by ourselves with the help of our legs and hand. And some of these are that are move with the motor, like underground train. It is motor powered vehicle. There is an engine inside, and when you start it, it will move by itself. You don't have to do it by your legs. Whereas a simple bicycle or skateboard is done by ourselves. We move it. Okay, now write with me some of the people powered vehicles and some of the motor powered vehicles. Take out your pencils, boys. First of all, skateboard, yes. Then we have skis. S-K-I-S. Skis. Where is skis? This. This one are called skis. Okay. Skis. Okay. Then we have Zorb. Z-O-R-B. Zorb. These are also people powered vehicles, means you move them by yourself, not the engine. Okay. Motor powered vehicles. In the lesson, we have hydrofoil, underground train, lifts. Right here, hydrofoil, and we have lifts, cable, cable cars. Okay, these are some of the people powered vehicle, and some are motor powered vehicles. Hydrofoil, lift, cable cars, these are motor powered vehicles. Whereas skis, zorb, wheelchairs, you can write, the skateboard is written, bicycle, all those vehicles that we move by our hands or with the help of our legs, in which our energy is required, it is called people powered vehicles. And those which in which engines are installed and they'll start automatically, they are called motor powered vehicles. Okay, coming to the question number 4. My favorite vehicle. Draw a picture of a vehicle that you like. What color is it? Is it big or a little? Write a sentence about it like this. I like my little pink plane. I like my little pink plane. You can say, I love my blue little bike. Or you can say, I like my brown skateboard. Okay. This is your homework. If you want, you can practice it by drawing and writing. Okay, boys? Then we have language detective. Sometimes a part of a word help us to understand it. Like uni equals 1, buy equals 2, try equals 3, cycle equals wheel. So bicycle means 2 wheels, unicycle means 1 wheel, What does try means? Try means three wheels. Okay. Can you think of another word beginning with it? With try? Triangle. Look, it has three corners. That is why it is called triangle. And tricycle is already done. These are the words. Okay. You can write it here also. Triangle. Triangle. Hurry up, boys, complete this. So, what was our question? Look at the pictures, put the letter in the correct order to make the word. If you need help, look at traveling around in the learner's book, page number 102 to 104. So, first word is skis, number two is bus, number three is cable car, number four is lift. Number five, wheelchair. Number six, bicycle. Number seven, train. And the last one is plane. Which vehicles have you traveled in? Circle the picture. So you don't have to circle here. They are saying just circle the picture. Okay, those things that I have traveled, I am going to circle them. If you like, you can circle the same or whatever. It depends, totally depends on you. Okay, I have traveled in these three. Wheelchair, I don't want to travel. And skis, we don't have a snow or a cold like that. In my country, yes, in the winters there is, but while I'm living here in Saudi Arabia, don't have such ice or mountains covered with snow that we can skis.